have seen the progress of our country, and she have joined the People's Progressive Party Civic. Let us welcome Geeta Chandan, who hails right here from Albion.
Brothers and sisters of Region 6, comrades all, let us give our Vice President, our President, and the leadership of the People's Progressive Party Civic a Barbies welcome. We can do better than that. Come on, make some noise. It is my distinct pleasure and honor to stand here before you on my home soil, in my home village, and back with my political family. I am back at home. I am here proudly, boldly, and with pride to say that there is no greater pride than coming home to tell you all the truth. And the truth is that I have walked the journey and I have seen both sides. And I can tell you without fear, without favor, without apology, and with a clear conscience that the People's Progressive Party Civic is the only party that will take us forward. It is the only party that has the competence, the efficiency, the heart, the bold, the visionary leadership to take us forward. And I cannot stand here in good conscience to say that I can turn a blind eye. And neither can any one of you can say you are turning a blind eye, because right before all of you, we are seeing the development taking place right before all of us. Isn't that so, Region 6? We are witnessing development that is touching every single door, every single household, and every family. The transformation is not a promise like the others would promise you. The transformation is a reality. It is real, it is tangible, and you can feel it. Can we not feel it, Barbies? Never in the history of our country have we seen so many opportunities for young people, so much hope for our families, so much growth and development that is taking place in every sector and every corner of Guyana. And that is something you all should be proud about. So beat your chest today, because the PPPC is not only promising, it is delivering. From massive infrastructure to improved schools and hospitals, from better drainage to housing schemes, from jobs to scholarships. We are in the PPPC, we are not just building bridges and roads as some of them claim. We are building the future of every single one of you. The PPPC has not only transformed Guyana, it has restored our pride. It has given us renewed hope. Isn't that so? Aren't we all very optimistic? We are seeing what is happening in the region. Think about what is going to happen in the next 5 years. Think about it. There is no other party that can match the People's Progressive Party Civic. I know my time is limited. But as a lawyer, I can stand here and I can speak to you for another hour. But none of this could would have been possible without the bold and visionary leadership of our president, Dr. Mohamed Irfaan Ali. Let us give him a Burmese welcome. He is a man and a gentleman with unmatched energy, with it in the whole Caribbean, a man with a vision, a man that is bold, and a man who gets up every morning determined to see every single Guyanese rise. My time is up, but permit me to salute our national hero and the champion of earth, our Vice President, Dr. Bharat Jagdeo. His courage and his brilliance has defended our democracy. And that is something that we should be proud about. And not only has he defended our democracy, he has guided us to becoming the fastest growing economy in the world. And being the fastest growing economy in the world, we are all feeling the benefits. So comrades, I say to you, we have experienced the benefits of this term. Imagine what it's like going to be in another 5 terms. Imagine it. So I say to you, my message is very simple. Don't gamble your future. Don't gamble the future of your children. Don't gamble Guyana's future. Vote for the party, the only party who has delivered, and that is the People's Progressive Party Civic. Vote for the cup, and on September 1st, go out boldly, beating your chest, and vote solidly for the People's Progressive Party Civic. Long live the People's Progressive Party Civic. Thank you.